Can you clean ceiling fans, light fittings, and skirting boards?
Yes, we include ceiling fan cleaning, light fitting dusting, and skirting board detailing as part of our comprehensive Presale Cleaning Service. These are exactly the kinds of areas buyers and their agents notice when deciding whether a home has been well looked after. Even small signs of neglect, like dust on fan blades or scuffed skirting boards, can plant doubt in a buyer's mind. That's why we pay extra attention to ceiling fans and light fittings, dusting and wiping blades, covers, and fittings. Carefully cleaning delicate pendant lights or glass fixtures, reaching high ceilings with safe equipment, skirting boards and edges, wiping down all skirting boards, door frames, window trims, and corners, removing scuff marks, pet hair, and built-up dust, leaving every room feeling crisp, fresh, and photo-ready. These finishing touches might seem small, but they add a luxury polish that makes buyers feel your home is truly move-in ready.